What's going on, guys? It's your boy Joe with the Clean Room Power Washing. We got another one for you today. So we're going over right now to make an estimate at a woman's house. She wants her sidewalks and pavers done. Sounds easy enough. I'm gonna try to upsell sanding and sealing the pavers if they look bad enough. So it's about 81 degrees right now. This job is in Massapequa, very close to me, which isn't bad. The weather's pretty nice. But listen, I just want to say thank you for the kind words from the last video. A lot of you guys reached out. I honestly didn't think I was gonna get many viewers to my videos, but it's crazy how YouTube works, and I'm very grateful for you guys. A lot of you guys gave me solid advice, and I'm gonna use that advice going forward. That's what I want from this channel. I really want to make a community here. All right, we're not gonna try to sell you guys things and, you know, try to just make my channel about, you know, fancy equipment and all this crazy stuff. I just want us to all grow as business owners. I want us all to learn together, and yeah, I mean, keep commenting, guys. I respond to everybody, and again, I'm very grateful for it. But I just want to make a community where we're all honest with each other and we tell it like it is, right? We don't try to bullshit anybody. So, but all right, I gotta be there by 10:30. House is about 5 minutes from where I'm at right now. We'll come back. All right, guys, we're back at the job site. We're about to do our conditions report. Always do a conditions report. Walk around the house, check for any damages, make sure you know what you're looking at. It's good to record. Here's what we're using. Again, my 4-gallon-a-minute pressure washer. Get these drums out of the way. If you're brand new, invest in one of these. The ball valve. Get these on Amazon. All right, DN10. Which one you want to use? This is how you cut the water off and switch your attachments without turning the pressure washer off. It's very important. Get one of these. Invest in a downstream injector. Very simple device. Tube, I put a little fishing weight on the end of it. Keep it in the bucket. Alright, this literally attaches right here. Get one of these. Alright. Someone asked, one of my subscribers asked me for my hose reels. I got these cheap ones from Amazon, but this only holds 100 feet. I'll post it in the link somewhere. And I'm using a Lily. We're just starting, guys. This is a regular garden hose reel. Okay. All right. So we're gonna do our condition report now. We'll start. Here's what they want done. They want the sidewalk. This. Some of this. All of this. Do their walkway here. Now remember, there's polymetric sand in here. So before you start, we had to tell the customer that we're going to, some of this is going to come out, but we will come back and refill it. So here's the back. It's a beautiful backyard. So we do all this. All of this. Back here. Okay, we're gonna start here in the corner. The biggest test, this is a saltwater pool. I'm gonna try to avoid as best as possible not to touch this pool with any water or anything. That's gonna be very difficult, but okay, that's what we're doing today. Hose is connected in there, and we will start. So again, I got 125 feet of pressure washing hose. I got 100 feet of garden hose, which I'm not going to need all of it because, again, we're connecting right here and power wash right here. I got new yard signs. Pretty sick. Vistaprint, guys. Vistaprint.com. You can make anything custom. But alright, I'm going to get started. I'll be back. Alright, like always, those pavers aren't too dirty. I'm not too worried. This house is pretty clean, but they just want their pavers cleaned. So I'm not going to go heavy on the SH today. So again, we're setting up here with our downstream injector. Alright, 5 gallons of, you get these things at Home Depot, Lowe's. I just call it coordinated. Hot for bleach, water, blue. So I'm just going to use 2 gallons of SH. Just 2. Splashing everywhere. Alright, so we got 2 gallons of SH. I'm just going to fill the rest of the bucket up with water. We're not going to use the surfactant. Except for that. Alright, I'll come back when we connect this. Alright, I'm going to teach everybody a trick I learned. If your power washer is struggling to start, you need to have the water run. So instead of putting your attachment on, attach the ball valve and have the water running like this. Okay? It'll start easier. Alright, we're up and running. I'm gonna water all the plants down. I'll come back when we start power washing. Alright, we're about to soak their SH. Remember, I only got 2 gallons in a 5-gallon bucket, so a very light mix. Okay? Purpose of the ball valve, see? I can switch everything off. Now I got pressure. Alright. Let me start in the back corner and make my way. I'm being very careful with this pool here. So I'm just edging it. Just edging it. I don't want to put any SH in that pool. Alright, hit the ball. The biggest headache with pressure washing is moving your hose. I'm telling you right now. Alright, all the soap is down. A lot of landscaping going on right now. Sorry for the noise, guys. Listen, we turned the pressure down a little bit. We don't want to be that hot on these pavers. But I got the surface cleaner here. We're going to walk in the back. This is bald enough. And we're going to start in the back corner. So, let's see how this comes out. Alright, so the back here is done. Before you do the walkway, I'm just going to rinse everything off. We don't want that dirt to dry on this pavement because it'll dry on there and it's going to be hard to get it off. And we just worked hard. It's very hot out. Alright, so we're back to it. Alright, we're gonna move to the walkway. It's like paint. I cannot get that out for the life of me. But so far, so good. We're moving. We rinsed. I'm gonna hit those walkway things last. So let's do the walkway. As you can see, people have their bowl valve and they have an 8-gallon a minute. This shoots a lot. 4-gallon a minute. It's very limp, if you know what I'm saying. Alright, we're making progress. Alright, we're almost done. We're just we're gonna rinse this, knock out the sidewalk, do a spot treatment, and we're done. Alright guys, sorry about that. My camera died just at the end of the video. But it was pretty much over at that point. We cleaned all the pavers out. We were very lucky. Maybe only a little bit of that polymetric sand came out, but the customer was very satisfied, and she said in a couple weeks she wanted us to come back and we are going to apply just a little bit more polymetric sand, and then we are going to seal those pavers. That backyard was pretty clean. I'm not gonna lie to you, there was only a little bit of a dirt, but we got a good price for it. We got that job off of Facebook, so very slowly we're rolling. But again, I appreciate you guys watching. Next time I'll make sure my camera is charged for the whole video. I have another one for you in store. I'm going to edit it probably in the next couple days, and we're going to release that one as well. But guys, I appreciate the comments. I appreciate the subscriptions. Let's keep this rolling. Any questions, any comments, anything, put them in the description. Everybody that's in my audience, feel free to answer. And yeah, like I said, I just want to have a community where we all get together. And yeah, so appreciate you watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And then yeah, thanks guys. Take care.